Welcome to this step-by-step guide to BMO credit card rewards. The first step is to understand the different types of BMO credit cards available and their corresponding rewards programs. BMO offers a variety of credit cards, including cashback, travel, and rewards cards, each with its own set of benefits and rewards structures. Step 2 is to choose the right credit card for your needs. Consider your spending habits and financial goals to determine which card will provide the most value to you. For example, if you frequently travel, a travel rewards card may be the best option, while a cashback card may be more suitable for everyday purchases. Once you have chosen your credit card, step 3 is to understand how to earn rewards. This typically involves making purchases on your card and earning points or cashback on those purchases. The rewards rate will vary depending on the card and the type of purchase, so it is essential to review the terms and conditions of your card to maximize your earnings. Step 4 is to learn how to redeem your rewards. BMO credit cards offer various redemption options, including statement credits, travel bookings, and merchandise. To redeem your rewards, simply log into your online account or contact the BMO customer service team to explore your options. In step 5, we will discuss how to maximize your rewards earnings. This can be achieved by taking advantage of bonus categories, such as earning extra points on groceries or gas purchases. Additionally, consider using your credit card for daily purchases, such as coffee or dining, to accumulate points quickly. Another key concept is to pay your balance in full each month to avoid interest charges and ensure you are getting the most value from your rewards. It is also crucial to keep track of your rewards balance and expiration dates to avoid losing your hard-earned points. By following these steps and best practices, you can make the most of your BMO credit card rewards and enjoy the benefits that come with being a cardholder. Remember to always review the terms and conditions of your card and stay informed about any changes to the rewards program to optimize your rewards earnings.